Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change the language in Google News application so that you can read new articles in the language you prefer. Whether you are using Android or iOS, the steps are simple and beginner friendly. First of all, launch open the Google News application on your device. Once you're inside the main home page of Google News, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. This will open up this pop-up where you need to tap on News Settings. Under Settings, tap on the Languages and Region of Interest option. Now, click on the Add Language and Region button, and on the next page, search for the language or region you want to change to. After selecting one of the options, select the New Language option. After selecting one of the options, you can then tap on the three dots right next to the language option and click on Make Primary. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your language setting and region of interest on Google News application. Now you have successfully changed the Google News language to your preference. You can add only up to 2 languages and region pairs. To remove a selection, you can tap on the three dots menu and click on Remove option. So there you have it. That's how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.